In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language to English in Taobao. We'll walk through the exact path inside the Taobao app, so your menus and product pages display in English or in the international version if that's what your app offers. This works on both iOS and Android, and the process is quick once you know where to tap. Start by opening the Taobao app and make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in helps your preferences stick across sessions and devices. If you're prompted to update the app, it's a good idea to do that first, since language options can move slightly between versions. From the home screen, head to My Taobao, which sits at the bottom right of the screen. It often looks like a person icon and may be labeled Wo de Taobao. This takes you to your profile area, where all account and app preferences live. In the top right corner of your profile page, look for the settings area. Depending on your app version, it may appear as a small gear icon or as 3 dots. Tap that to open the settings menu. If you're unsure which icon it is, the gear is the most common visual cue for settings in the app. Inside settings, choose General Settings labeled Tongyang in Chinese. This section holds system-level options such as language, notifications, and display preferences. It's the right place for changing how the app behaves rather than changing details about your account. Next, tap Language, shown as Yu Yan. This is the dedicated menu for switching the app's language. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the General Settings page, as it can be a little lower on some versions. Now choose the option that switches Taobao to English. Depending on your version, you might see English, Ying1, or you might see International version, International mode, or Global version, often labeled Guojiban. Any of these indicates the English experience. Select the option you prefer. Don't worry, this changes the interface language and regional presentation, but it doesn't affect your account or your orders. To apply the change, fully restart the app. Close Taobao completely. Don't just minimize it, then reopen it. When it launches again, you should see menus, categories, and key screens in English or the international layout. If your screens look a little different, that's normal across updates and regions. The path remains the same: profile, settings, general language. Then select English or the international version and restart. That's all you need to browse, search, and shop in a language you're comfortable with.